Now, from WTVM, this is Business Break with your host, Maureen Akers.
Hello there and welcome. Today our special guest is Joseph Fincher with AFS Foundation and Waterproofing Specialists. Welcome, Joseph.
Thanks for having me.
Excited to have you here today to tell us a little bit more about AFS, what you do, who you are, and what you do.
Yeah, so we're a foundation waterproofing company. We're actually the largest in the Southeast. Cool story about how AFS started is that we were started in a garage in Decatur, Alabama by Ben Bayless Jr. and his wife Rachel. And since then we've grown and spread throughout Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee. And we service customers on foundation settlement issues, basement waterproofing, crawl space waterproofing, concrete raising, and really anything that it has to do with a foundation. We have some sort of repair or avenue that we can send our customers.
Excellent. Now, with AFS being the market leader for 2 decades now, what do you attribute to that success?
Really and truly, it's a dedication to take care of our customers. What we want to do is that when we come out for an inspection, we want to make sure that we educate our customers properly about what's going on with their home, educate them on why our fixes are going to take care of their problems. We want to do a really good job on the install and an even better job on the follow-up with our full-time devoted service department. We want to make sure that our customers are happy the day that we do the job, and in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years later has been a really big point for us. Absolutely,
and the foundation, as they say, is the basic building block of the home, right?
Absolutely.
Now, if some of our viewers out there, they're watching this today and they're interested, they believe maybe they need an inspection just to, maybe something is going on in their house and they want to know more, how would they do that?
Absolutely, and the cool thing is about AFS is that all of our inspections are completely free. We'll come out and do a full evaluation of the foundation of the home and make sure everything's working properly. And the easiest way to get a hold of us is just a Google search of AFS Foundation. Will probably be the first couple results on that. You can go straight to afsrepair.com, or you can just go to our Facebook and sign up there.
Oh, very good. So you make it very easy for folks to find out more.
We certainly try.
Fantastic. So AFS Repair and Waterproofing Specialist, if you think there might be something going on, you want to give them a call. That inspection, as you mentioned, is no cost. So they can, our viewers can definitely reach out to you then. Thank you so much for joining us today, Joseph. We'll see you on the very next Business Break.